Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. And right now, conditions in the FM area vastly improved over this morning. Temperatures were awesome this afternoon, approaching 40 degrees for some of us. In fact, we're still in the mid-30s at this hour. Wind not so bad yet. It's from the southwest at 9. And for the next few hours, we'll enjoy 30s. And that will be the case across much of the Red River Valley and southeast North Dakota. Sisseton 37, Jamestown 35. It's in the mid-20s, so frozen road surfaces in northeast North Dakota, and the DOT reporting still icy conditions there. We have temperatures of freezing in Detroit Lakes, 31 in Bemidji, and 30 for Baudette this hour. Here's a look at visibility, and we're seeing some reduced visibility up north of the Devil's Lake area. We're seeing some in central Minnesota for Hubbard County of 2 miles, and wind speeds are not too bad yet compared to where they will be as we go through the overnight. Winds are sustained at 21 miles or 25 miles per hour rather in the Devil's Lake area. The rest of us right at or under 10 miles per hour. Some snow making its way in toward the Winnipeg hour, and also some along the South Dakota border there south of Bismarck. But as we look up to the north, here's a low pressure center, and this low pressure center or storm will be drifting to the south and east toward the Great Lakes. As it does so, these isobars, these lines of constant pressure, will be tracking through the Dakotas and Minnesota tomorrow. Where these lines are closer together is where the strong winds will be. So it's windy already in Canada. That's what's heading our way as we go through the overnight hours. Here's how. This evening, get out and enjoy temperatures in the 30s, slowly falling for most of us. And up north, you'll see some 20s. Can't rule out hit and miss flurries this evening, but by and large, things fairly quiet. But the wind begins really picking up as we go beyond the 2 a.m. hour. Notice all these arrows. Where you see the yellow ones, winds first thing in the morning will be gusting to 40 miles per hour, or maybe a little bit more. Look at our morning temperatures. We'll be in the 20s south and only in the teens, maybe even single digits up north. We'll have pockets of light snow making its way through from northern Minnesota through the Red River Valley. Clouds as well. The wind will blow the snow. And a lot of the snow that we have on the ground across the area right now has a crust on it from our warmer temperatures. But that's not necessarily the case for everyone up north. So where we have drifted snow, we have very icy roads throughout our Tuesday morning commute. And throughout the day, the gusty winds continue. And unless you're going from Fargo eastbound towards Minneapolis, where you'll get much better gas mileage from the wind pushing you from behind, crosswinds causing a problem all day, temperatures falling into the single digits and teens for the entire region, with dangerous wind chills to follow for your Tuesday night. So we start out near 20, we see temperatures falling into the teens and eventually single digits throughout the day. No significant snow accumulations for most locations, but a very wintry and blustery day. Here's another shot from Can-Do, Richard capturing this of the Northern Lights. That was Saturday. And that's how long we'll have to wait for some warmer weather to return, especially Wednesday morning. Brutally cold with wind chills around 30 below zero possible. As we do start to see a little warm up late week, it'll be Sunday before the 30s return to the valley. So buckle up and please take it easy on area roads tomorrow morning.
Thanks, Hutch.